After extensively testing the Osmo Dashcam Pro, I can confidently say it's one of the most well-rounded dashcams currently available in its class. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out. It feels premium and solid, with a sleek, compact design that easily blends into any vehicle interior without being obtrusive. The setup process is smooth and user-friendly, with intuitive controls and a responsive interface that even less tech-savvy users will appreciate. Where this device truly shines, however, is in its video performance. Equipped with high-resolution recording up to 4K, wide dynamic range, and advanced night vision capabilities, the Osmo Dashcam Pro consistently delivers crisp, detailed footage in both daytime and low-light conditions. License plates, road signs, and small details are captured with impressive clarity, which is exactly what you want in the event of an incident or insurance dispute. Another standout feature is the stabilization technology, which minimizes motion blur and keeps footage smooth even on bumpy roads or during sudden braking. The loop recording, automatic incident detection, and cloud backup integration are seamlessly executed, offering peace of mind that important clips are always saved when needed. Additionally, the GPS logging and speed tracking features work reliably, adding an extra layer of data that can be critical in accident documentation. The companion app is well designed, offering quick access to live previews, saved footage, and settings, all with minimal lag or connectivity issues. Battery life and heat management are also strong points. The unit remains cool during extended operation, and power management is efficient, with the dashcam turning on and off automatically with the car's ignition. There's also support for voice commands and built-in driver assistance alerts, which, while subtle, add meaningful value to daily driving. Overall, the Osmo Dashcam Pro combines premium hardware, advanced software, and intelligent features to create a top-tier product. For drivers seeking reliability, performance, and peace of mind on the road, this dashcam is absolutely worth the investment. Not just a fancy gadget, but a truly practical and high-performing tool that lives up to its promises.